studio. She's been named Canada's #1 mortgage professional. She is host of The Mortgage Show on CKNW, and she's the best-looking mortgage specialist we've ever had in our studio. Holy crap!
Wow.
It's Angela frickin' Calla.
Angela!
Hi, Angela. Hey, guys. Good morning.
Morning, Angela. First things first, welcome back from Mexico. You made it. You're alive. You didn't get shot.
Absolutely. I came bearing gifts this morning. I know you guys by now.
She brought tequila.
She brought a lot of stuff.
A lot of tequila.
Well, I know how you guys are. Last time I was in, you guys had gone to a Metallica concert the night before, so.
Oh, yeah. Or was it Steel Panthers?
Maybe Steel Panthers.
It was Steel Panthers.
Santa Fox Food Ride, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Angela Calla, new rules Jim Flaherty just talked about. I think there's going to be a lot of Fox listeners that are wondering, why do you have a mortgage specialist in? What the hell are you guys doing? What are you talking to Angela Calla for? But Jim Flaherty changed the rules this week, and the truth is, there's probably a lot of Fox listeners out there right now that are paying $1,600 in rent.
Mm-hmm.
That could be easily going to a mortgage, right?
Oh, easily. I mean, Jeff, you want to own a condo for $300,000? It's going to cost you about $1,120 a month, and you own a condo for $300,000.
Where can you buy a condo?
Wow.
Can you buy a condo?
I think
Absolutely.
nowadays. Yeah, it's coming down.
Well, if you want to live
Other side
in
of hope.
Vancouver, East Vancouver, and North Vancouver, there's 226 listings. Burnaby, 150. Coquitlam, 148. New Westminster, 119. Port Moody, 48.
And all
Coquitlam.
of these are ballpark 300,000?
Yeah, or below.
What do you get for $300,000 in Vancouver, though? You get a shoebox, right? Like maybe 300 square feet.
Well, you got to start somewhere. You might be renting that shoebox for $1,020 a month. So there's options out there, and you got to know what's applicable to you.
All right, Angela Calla, first question to you. You are a mortgage specialist or mortgage professional. What exactly is that? You're not the person that I get my mortgage from. You just go out and get me my mortgage, right?
Right. Well, I'm an accredited mortgage professional. So what I do is I shop all the banks, all the trust companies, all the credit unions. I get them fighting for your business. The banks only have 2 or 3 products. They may or may not have something that suits you. I get them fighting for your business. And also, your own bank isn't going to tell you if there's a better option across the street. I get paid the same no matter where I put your mortgage.
If I walk into a bank today, what rate am I going to get? Most likely. What's the posted rate right now in an average rent today, right now?
Posted rates, so the Bank of Canada qualifying rates, 5.29%.
And you, Angela Calla, would be able to get me a hell of a lot less than that?
Absolutely. We get about 1.5 to 2% off.
Wow, really?
Yeah, but also, here's the thing. The terms are just as important. You might have a mortgage with a low interest rate that is actually going to cost you more fees to get out of. So there's all kinds of things that are involved in knowing what the best mortgage option is, and your bank does not have your best interest in mind. They're salespeople.
Are you hated by the banks?
No, they love me. I bring them billions of dollars of business. That's exactly what they want.
And tequila.
And tequila.
No, the tequila's for the clients.
Angela, I got a stupid question for you. Why is it not an option for me, a homeowner or a new homeowner out there right now, going into a bank that you've set me up with? Thank you very much. You're a mortgage professional. You've done that. So I go in and I sit down. Why do I have to get a 5-year or a 10-year or a 15-year? Why can't I just get the whole thing right off the... Let's say I'm going 30 years. Maybe it's my first place. And I want to get, say, 5% because that's what you got me. Why can't I get that for 30 years?
Well, Jeff, the banks are only looking at selling you what they need to make their quota. They're all about what's better for the bank, not what's best for the client. And that's why there's competition out there, and that's why I have them fighting for your business. And you know what that results in, Jeff? That results in you saving money, you paying your mortgage off faster, and the money in your pocket, not the banks. The banks have been making billions of dollars off the backs of us for not knowing better. So I love getting out there, love getting the message out, saving you money.
You guys want some tequila?
Oh my gosh,
Am I not boring?
Come on.
No, not at all. No, just because I want a shot of tequila doesn't mean you're boring. It's you brought the bottles.
Well, it was really funny, Angela, because when you were coming in, I was saying to Jeff, you know, like for me, someone like me, right, who's renting right now, I have student loans and debt. How do I get involved? Like, how do I get my first place? What do I need to do?
Jen, it's really easy. All you do is you send us a couple documents, we review all your options, and then we shop until you find your place to get you the best mortgage rate. It doesn't take as much as what you think. The biggest reason why people don't purchase is because they don't know their options. The $300,000 place that I just told you about that you can get in with 5% down, that's going to cost you $1,120 a month, you only need to be making $55,000 a year to qualify that gross combined. So you have 2 people. That's a big deal. 2 people making $12, $15 an hour full time. They qualify to own their own home.
What do you think of that Manulife one thing? Because because we had somebody that contacted us, was about a month or so ago. Do you guys remember that?
No.
So you would get, as I understand, Angela, you know a lot more about this, but you get like a line of credit for your entire mortgage, and then so your entire paycheck would go onto that line of credit, and then if you needed $300 to go grocery shopping, you just pull that off of your quote-unquote mortgage.
And so your mortgage goes up a little bit when you go grocery shopping?
Yeah, but every payday goes down a hell of a lot. What do you think of that?
Well, it requires discipline. It's one of the 300 options that we have access
But
to.
if you're disciplined, is it a good option?
If you're disciplined, it can be a good option.
Ah.
Yeah, but that also limits your offer in terms of rates and products. So what's more important to you, the best rate that's going to help you pay it off faster? Is it important for you to have easier access to your money? Those are all the things that we take in consideration. We ask you the hard questions to help you think, short and long term, so before and after that bottle of tequila, to help you make the best decision on your mortgage, because it's a big deal. It's the biggest expense that you're going to have.
Angela, you're
Good answer. I like that.
I thought that was
Hey,
I'm getting
that's
slightly
why I
confused.
mentioned tequila. Come on.
Tequila. I got root beer here as well, hot dogs. I'm losing control here. But according to your Wikipedia page, it says you've won Best BC Mortgage Brokers Ass 4 years running. How did you win this? Was there a
Is
pageant or
that on our
something?
Wikipedia page?
Did you say broker's ass?
Yeah.
Or
Okay,
broker ass?
this has nothing to do with good looks. This is all about helping people save money. You do good things, you make a difference.
You just happen to be super hot.
No, it's a CA.
What can I say? Let's listen to radio, apparently.
All right, joining us in the studio,
I love
she
you.
is Angela Calla. She is a mortgage professional, and in just a minute, yes, to all the people who have sent us text messages, we will talk about